Hi, welcome to engagement tip number 8. Let's give a shout out to our help today, Judy, Meredith, and Lori. Okay, so today's engagement tip is called Mentimeter. You go to mentimeter.com. See it? You have to log in and create an account, but an account is free. This is a way to engage students in the classroom that might not want to use their voices, that maybe are more introverted. And it's a fun way to get discussion going. So you click on new presentation. So I'm going to do this right here. Name of presentation is engagement tip 8. Okay. And let's see. Choose a slide type. Now what I'm going to do is do open-ended because we're going to ask a fun question. So the question is going to be, what do you consider to be the best movie ever? So I'm going to tell my class, go to menti.com, menti.com. Okay. Going to hit the present button. So this is what's going to show up on the screen in front of the room. Menti.com. When they get there, I'm going to ask my sweet volunteers to enter the code. You see the code? Okay. 765710. And I'm going to do it too. Okay. And the question that I've posed is, what do you consider the best movie ever? Since it's, Oscar week. Best movie ever. I know this is a toughie.
Not for me.
Oh, okay. Menti.com. Clearly there's a Harrison Ford fan in the room.
Not really. That was just the first thing that popped in my head.
Okay, so
my favorite line ever.
Godfather 2.
Typing an awful long time.
All right,
so Lord of the Rings, The Return of the King.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah.
Aragorn or Faramir or Boromir.
One of them, Big Ol' Mortensen, because I'm in.
Oh, yes, indeed.
Okay.
Yeah.
There you go. Good job.
Do you see how fun this is to engage?
It's a conversation starter.
It's a conversation starter, a true conversation starter. Super easy. Menti.com. It's a free account. And what's cool about this app or this website is that the students do not need to download an app to contribute. You can set it up as polls, open-ended, word clouds, surveys, whatever. So if you think this might be something kind of fun to do in class, check out menti.com. And everybody have a great week. Thank you, ladies. Woo!